Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I thought I would just bring you along as I make my version of lemon limeade and an easy simple syrup. This is very easy now that it's getting very hot outside here, especially in Georgia. You know, sometimes I love tea. I love my tea. But sometimes I just want this right here, some lemon lime water, something else refreshing to quench the thirst. So I thought I'd bring you along. In my small little saucepan for our simple syrup, it's just 1 part sugar, 1 part water. So I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Now over medium heat, we're going to stir this, and we're just going to heat this up until the sugar's fully dissolved. It doesn't need to come to like a full rolling boil or anything like that. It may until the sugar dissolves, but just stick with it and don't walk away. And just know that once this is ready, this will be very hot. So during this part, no pets or no, kids. Just don't have little ones around or your pets around or anything, because this is just will be very hot. And I will bring you back once this is ready. Now, once this is ready, you can keep this in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a month. You can use this to sweeten your coffee, your tea, or this. Some people go ahead and sweeten their lemon limeade or lemon lime water, whatever you want to call it, when they make it. But like my husband doesn't want it sweetened. He just wants that, just the lemon lime water. So this way I can just keep this in the refrigerator and sweeten my part of it. And if you didn't want to make so much, you could just use a 1/2 cup of sugar and a 1/2 cup of water. But it's up to you and how you prefer, the sweetness of your drink. And like I say, you can use this to sweeten other things too, because it's hard to get your sugar to dissolve once something is cold. So this is just a lot easier. So I'll bring you back once this gets ready. It will turn clear. See, now it's cloudy. Once everything's dissolved, it will turn clear. While we're waiting on my simple syrup, these are the lemons and limes that I'm going to use. I have 2 lemons and 3 limes. Luckily, our local fruit and vegetable stand, it just sits on the side of a gas station, just in a little shack. It's outside. Sometimes if you're lucky, you can go in there and he'll have fresh peas and stuff that they go ahead and shell. The best okra and tomatoes, the best boiled peanuts. So luckily they was opened back up. So, and I've been wanting some of this. And they have very good prices. So I'm going to wash these and squeeze all the juice out of it that I can. And then once that gets done, I'll bring you back to that point. Okay, I just want to show you this has been going on medium heat for around 5 minutes. As you stir it, you can still see it starting to turn clear, but it's still just a little cloudy. So we want this to be good and clear. And it will, you can tell that it's thickened just a little bit. Just stay with it. Okay, and I hope you can tell the difference with me. Got you zoomed in really close, but remember before when I stir it, like that white coating on the top, that's all about gone. And when I stir it, it's fully clear. It's just about to start bubbling at the bottom of the pan, but this is ready. So now we're going to remove it from the heat and let it cool. But see, perfectly clear. Now with my lemons and limes, I am going to wash them real good, even though I'm not going to put, once I get done squeezing it, the lemon in my drink. You can do that. You can put just the lemon and lime in there. I'm not going to, but you can. But you still need to wash your fruits and vegetables really well. Let me tell you what happened really quick. I know I'm talking a lot at that fruit stand with the way the world is now. We were outside shopping, and this woman comes up, and she has a spray bottle, and she's a customer, and she just starts spraying all over the fruits and vegetables. And I was standing there with the owner of the shop, and she says, "What are you doing? What are you spraying on my produce?" and she was just spraying rubbing alcohol on everything. And we're like, don't do that. You can do that with what you're going to buy, but don't do that. So you never really know what somebody's done, so just really wash your fruits and vegetables really well. Alright, I did strain my lemon and lime juice to get out all the seeds and that extra pulp, because I don't really like the pulp that much. But I got almost a cup, 3/4 of a cup of juice. Now, some might ask if you could just use the bottled lemon juice or lime juice. I wouldn't. I would prefer it freshly squeezed. But that's just me. So now, let's start putting it together. Okay, y'all, don't laugh at my little picture. The other day, someone got bored and decided to clean out from under my cabinets where my pots and pans, and I keep all that stuff, my racks and my pictures and all. This is just the two sides of the sinks, the two cabinets, but it stretches out further. So I would have to get in there and crawl in the cabinets to pull it out because they put it way on the end. So this is what I'm using today. So I'm going to pour my juice in here. And we'll need around 4 cups of water. At around 3 cups, I will taste it to see. Some might like it stronger or weaker. That's really up to you too. And I'm going to mix this up a little bit and just take a taste. I'm adding my 4th cup of water. And I'm going to add a 1/2 cup. Now, you could go ahead and add your simple syrup to this if you would like to. But, like I said, my husband just likes it like that. Of course, cold. So, what I'm going to do is, you can buy, it comes in a 2-pack, these little squirt bottles at the Dollar Tree. It has the little cover on there. 2 for $1. So I just pour my simple syrup in one of these and just keep it in the refrigerator. And just when I pour my glass, I can sweeten it to ever how sweet I like it. And use this to sweeten up other things too. Or you can pour some in there, taste it, and just get it to the sweetness that all your family might like. So let me get all this poured up and stuff, and I'll bring you back when we try it. Here's one of my favorite little cups. Sure I shake up my lemon limeade. Got me my cups full of ice. And now I just take my nice little stir and to try it. That's so good right there. I'm telling you, that is so good and so refreshing. So again, thanks for coming along with me as I show you how I make my lemon limeade and my simple syrup. Remember, with the measurements and all that I do, it's what me and my family like. If you decide to make something in one of my videos, make it the way you and your family would like it. Remember to keep this in the refrigerator, your lemon limeade and your simple syrup. It should last 3 to 4 weeks in your refrigerator in an airtight container. You can use it to sweeten all of your drinks or anything. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, because I love hearing from you. Please feel free to share my videos. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.